3/4 inch shank tool with a square drive going into the shrink bit.
228 inches a minute, 10 thou feet per tooth at 7,650 RPM. 7638 RPM.
What's the depth of cut?
Axial depth of cut, or axial length of cut is 100%, three-quarter length. Radial width of cut is 50%, 3/8.
You want to stop it and see the finish after?
Let's get a full run of that.
What's the power meter look like? Broken?
Just about pop.
Can't change power papers, it's like your drive, right?
Yeah.
It's not going to do anything to it.
This is the finish the end mill created. These are the chips that are created from the cut.
Hang on.
Down a little bit.
Got you 2 of them. 7,639 RPM, 300 inches per minute, 10% radial width of cut of a 3/4 diameter tool, 100% axial length of cut. We're going to take a second roughing pass on the radial with the same parameters, 50% radial width to cut, 100% axial length to cut, cutting the RPM to 7,500 RPM, same feed rate, 10 thou per tooth, 225 inches per minute, same diameter tool, 1/2-inch tool.
So we're only 7,500 RPMs now?
Yep.
225.
25.
I can't believe that 1/2-inch barrier stalled that
Yeah,
machine.
here we go.
Without it breaking. We're stalling, we're spinning. SPI? Load her down.
100% of the load meter.
All right, this is a finishing pass, 7,500 RPM, 300 inches a minute, 3 flute, 1/2-inch diameter. 50 thousandths width of cut, half-inch length of cut, ER32 tool holder,
Half-inch collet,
half-inch collet.
no dual drive.
This will probably hardly even register.
Now I know why I needed him. So this is a finishing cut. This is the shot of the finish on the previous cut.
End mill, 7,500 RPM, 100% length of cut, 8 thou per tooth, 180 inches a minute.
Let her eat.
Well, this one, they're not too big.
All right, we're going to cut a pocket, we're going to ramp, 7,500 RPM, 8 thou feet per tooth, 1/4 inch axial depth of cut, and 180 inches a minute. Half-inch diameter end mill, ER32 collet chuck. Yeah. Dual drive shrink fit. We're going to run the same parameters as what we ran before with the ER32 collet chuck. First operation is heavy radial milling. Second operation is finish radial. Third is slotting. And the last is ramping and pocketing.
Okay, so what's this cut? Depth of cut?
This cut is a 1/2 inch axial length of cut, 1/4 inch radial width of cut, 7,500 RPM, 10 thou IPT, 225 inches a minute.
It's hard to get a customer's machine to do this, and then unless I'm a customer, I'll do this with me. That's what I always like to try to do, but you can't really get good data or video on the customer's place.
Running a light radial width of cut of 50 thousandths at 300 inches a minute at 7,500 RPM, which is 13.3 thou per tooth. 1/2 inch length of cut, 50 thou radial width of cut. All right, next operation is 2 slots, 7,500 RPM, 180 inches a minute, 8 thou feet per tooth, 1/2 inch slot, 1/4 inch axial length of cut, 7,500 RPM, dual drive shrink.
This is a 1/4 inch step. Jason?
We're cutting a pocket out with dual drive, shrink fit, 7,500 RPM, 180 inches a minute, quarter-inch axial length to cut.
Go.
All right, we're doing 225 inches a minute, 7,500 RPM. We're doing 50% radial width of cut, 100% axial length of cut, half-inch diameter tool, and we're going to do 2 racetracks. We're going to do one racetrack with ER32 collet chuck, and the second one will be a shrink fit dual drive.
First one straight.